Okay, I'm going to show you how to make these to where it's just, you know, make it longer so it doesn't, so it's not too strenuous to your ears. You know, you can adjust it, make it as long as you want. All right, so all you got to do is get the new one that's too tight on your ears. All right, get an old one. Just get an old one because you're just gonna use the old one's old one's string. Just go ahead and cut it off. Okay, so, whoops. All right, so this is what you got. You got the string now and the new one that's too tight. Make sure that's the nose. Make sure you can do it on either side. Make sure you have enough length there, okay? So you're gonna have some extra one, and make sure you have enough length to tie it. I'll show you how to tie it too. So anyways, here's this one, and let's get this string. So just tie it. Just tie it, man. Don't be a hero. There you go. And then you go ahead and take the other one. Just tie one end. Just make sure. There you go. Just like that. And then now you can adjust it. Make sure you have enough slack to easily tie it. That's one. It's two. I just do 2 knots. Just tie it like that. And now you can adjust it. There you go. Now it can be fit on any face, no matter how big your head is. All right.